I'm sitting here with my calendar for the next year. I'm going to share my system of productivity. You know how you plan something, you know, you need to do or you want to do, you have some ideas. Keep running, and after a while it starts actually feeling bad because it overwhelms you. So you need to do dump, put it all on the paper. All your ideas you've been carrying around but did not accomplish, putting things off instead of making your brain go nuts. This is how I like to do it, on tiny sticky notes.
Yeah.
So I'm dumping it all, each thing, each idea, each project, separate piece of paper. I haven't planned it when I'm going to do how it's for the whole year. Then I go over this list, and now in more details, I'm going to plan the year. Maybe not to the exact date, but maybe frame of 3 months I'll give. This is what I'm going to do. So I'm kind of sparse it out. So what happened when time comes, I pull one thing. Okay, for example, learn a language. I have here. As busy as I am, and then, I mean, 50 years old, it's not as easy as it was in 20s to learn language. I cannot learn it in a month or two, but I can maybe learn alphabet and numbers and maybe a minimal set of phrases that I need to get around the country. So now I'm going to split this project. Okay, first learn alphabets and numbers, then maybe I, me, whatever, you words. And I'm going to then plan it into the calendar. I don't have to like, oh, I can't learn language today. There is no time. But tomorrow is the same. Months later, I can't learn this language. But okay, today I need only remember 3 numbers.
Yeah.
So also, I don't know, 10 minutes, maybe I'll devote to it. And then you take the thing and move it into the section accomplished. Boost of good hormones, floods. Why I like sticky things? Because it's physical.
Yeah.
It's real. It's real. It's not just something running through my neurons or something elusive. It's a real thing. And now I've done it, accomplished it. I put it into the section of things that done already. Imagine through repetition. It's like taking drugs. You crave this more and more. And then in the morning you get up like, what next thing I can do today? You get excited. Your body's waiting, craving this cocktail of good hormones. That's how everything becomes doable and actually feels good. And you don't constantly going around overwhelmed. You keep holding everything in the brain, and then it's such a chaos. You sit down, I have to do something. You feel this anxiety, but then you cannot accomplish anything because you can't focus. You're too overwhelmed.
Yeah.
One thing at a time, everything is achievable. Like with this journal with it, if I told you, now you have to write 300 pages book, nobody would do it probably. Here, step one, you do this. This accomplishable in few minutes. Easy.
Absolutely.
So you write few journals published like this, and next full-size real book will be a piece of cake.